Okay, so this is my trading day recap where I took 2 losses and 1 small win. 22nd of July 2026. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Here we can see on the 15-minute time frame, this is exactly where I came to the market. Okay, around this area here. So it was like here exactly, and I saw price trading down, and pre-market we come to the point of control and have a strong rejection. Okay, and initially coming to the markets, doing my analysis, looking at the volume profile and the value area, I was initially expecting longs in the market, and I couldn't really see anything else. Okay, I was expecting longs. So now going to the 5-minute time frame, as we can clearly see, longs were already playing pre-market. So I was like, okay, my idea might have already played out. And then as we can see on this candle here, market opens, okay? Then we take these external highs here, right? And now what I've done is went to the 1-minute time frame. So I was like, okay, market's opened. We've taken some external highs. We're coming to, as we can see, the value area low. So we've taken external highs after market open, after a strong bullish expansion, touching the value area low. Now I was looking for 1-minute confirmation, and if I got that, I was instantly looking to sell. Okay, so as we can see, the external high sweep, lovely rejection of the value area, barely closing inside of it, and then we get a 2-leg protocol here to the downside, entry here, stop loss above here, and I got pretty much bottom wicked and get stopped out. No worries, okay? Then price comes higher, sweeps externally again, right? Mitigates more orders within the value area, coming to near the midpoint. Okay, also we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see at this point we was in this H4 order block, all intervals as you can see, and now it'll be more clear. Yeah, inside this H4 order block, okay, after the external high sweep, after coming to the midpoint of the value area, after market open, after being so extended to the upside and in premium and in the H4 order block. So I was looking for sell, 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 okay? And then what I see is lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, we disrespect this bullish order block here, which is great. It shows sellers are in control and buyers are losing control. We disrespect this order block here. We come back up, retrace, clear internal range liquidity, and then break below these lows here, okay? So now we have a 2-leg protocol on the 1-minute time frame. After all the confluences that I just previously stated, okay, beautiful entry protocol. We enter here, stop loss above here, and I was targeting the swing low, pre-market lows here, okay? And as we can see, we get into a good bit of profit. And then this was my thought process at this exact time, okay? Right, this was my thought process. I was in the trade, okay? We break these lows here, and I'm like, okay, we've come to this 1-minute order block here that caused this strong push up, swept these internal lows here, right? And I was like, it's pretty much consolidating. The selling pressure is really not strong at all. We are just going bullish, you know, price is bullish, and it's likely we're going to continue that way based on the weak selling pressure and such a strong buying pressure, okay? And then, yeah, like I said, we swept these lows, come to this extreme, or this 1-minute order block here, and then we have a 30-second change of character. I'm not going to go to the 30-second, but you can see this is the 1-minute. Imagine the 30-second, double the candles. There's a 30-second change of character here. After the sweep, 1-minute order block mitigation, okay? We're also, which was a key thing, okay? This was a key thing that I just missed out. We're at the value area low. So we're at the value area low, sweeping internal lows, mitigating the 1-minute order block in the range, and then getting 1-minute confirmation to buy after being so bullish and being bullish the entire day. Okay, so it's like mad. So I closed the trade here, the selling position, and actually entered longs. And as we can see, it was a bit of a disaster. So firstly, I entered way too high in the range, okay? I entered way too high in the range, that's number one. Number two, I entered too late, okay? So if I got an early entry on this 30-second change of character, yeah, I would have had my stop loss below here, which leads into my next point, which was the stop loss was too high, okay? This 1-minute rejection block is unmitigated, so price can come back down, tap it, then go, exactly like what happened here, okay? So I need to remember to have my stop loss at the lows and at the highs, because if a retracement comes, I'm cooked, okay? So many things here. I need to enter lower, enter too late, and the stop loss actually at a valid invalidation point, because this is not an invalidation point. As we can see, we're coming to that 1-minute rejection block. It's still valid for price to retrace that much. So I get swept out here, and I was targeting these highs. Price doesn't even come to that high. But the point is, if I would have entered here, for example, stop loss below here, we could have even TP'd at the point of control here for nearly a 1 to 4. So it's still completely valid. And yeah, that's what I've learned from today. So overall, 2 losses on the day and 1 small win, okay? The second loss, okay. So the first loss, completely valid, you know, I get swept out instantly, but it was completely valid. Win number 2, it was actually a win, a very small win, completely valid again, everything aligned so perfectly. And then loss number 3, it was a great idea and the analysis was incredible and perfect. However, my trade management and my execution was not perfect and it was not incredible, okay? There was many tweaks I need to make in that area, but overall it's a good trading day, lessons to extract from this day, and yeah, things to see to improve for next time in the coming trading days. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this trading day recap, and if you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, and peace.